Anak! Baby! Bakit mo na ganyan yung high chair mo? Ha? Balik mo na yung high chair mo dun. Please, baby. Where's daddy? Anak, ibalik mo na yung high chair dun. Ayaw mo na upuan niya ang high chair. O, ibalik mo na lang yung high chair dun. Hindi hinihila yan, magagalit sila. Ayun si daddy, oh. Oh. Oh, lagot. Sige. Put it back. Ay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Baby boy, stand up.